Hello everybody! So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look. I'm going to be going to a dinner in a little bit, and so gotta put something on my face. And I decided Halloween's over. What do I put on my face? And I did my nails with this kind of frosty blue motif. Nothing particularly fancy in my opinion, but I thought, what if I made my eyes kind of be inspired by my nails? So I don't know how this is going to turn out by the end, but I thought let's try and do some kind of blue, maybe a little bit frosted, maybe not kind of look. So let's get going on that. Let's get a little primer going. I already moisturized my face, so yeah, if you want to moisturize your face, do that first and then prime. So we're going to put some foundation on my face. Set with some powder. We'll try the whole baking thing for today, why not? A little bit of contour. Doing some blush. Let's get some brows on. Take our little spoolie, blend that just a little bit. Take this brush, a little bit of concealer. We're gonna do that carving thing. Hang on, let me let the cat in. She's upset. Hi. A little bit of concealer on a small brush. I honestly can never tell if that really is worth doing on myself, but it seems to make things a little more polished, so we've done it. I may try to actually do this whole thing with this one palette, we'll see, but it's the limited edition Pac-Man eyeshadow palette. It's actually called a color palette, but who are we kidding? It's an eyeshadow palette. I broke it already. I'm going to start with the lighter blue in that palette and plop that on my lid. I never mention the names or the numbers on my brushes because they're all different brands and some of them don't even have numbers on them. But for a blending brush, you'll want something that's soft, a little bit looser. It's not as densely packed as they would say. Move on to a crease color, and I'm going to take the darker color from that same palette and put that in the crease. Connect that under my eye a little bit. More pigmented than I remember it being. Take that blending brush again. Okay, and I'm going to add a pop of a contrasting color in an effort to make this look a little more modern. This might be a little crazy. This might be a mistake. We'll see. Try adding some blue from my NYX palette. So going to add a little bit of black. going to take just my finger, and this Wet n Wild Pac-Man palette has this glittery shade down here in the bottom. And I'm going to swipe some of that with my finger, which looks very shimmery. And I'm going to put that on my lid. Frost that out a little bit. I'm going to use eyeliner. Add a wing to this. I think that's going to help even more so bring this to be more modern. The thing that I'm afraid with all blue eyeshadow is I'm afraid it's going to look very 80s. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but if that's not what I'm going for, then that's not what I'm going for. So, yeah. So let's do some wing liner. I don't know where my fan is at the moment, but that's okay. So I'm going to spray down. I like to spray my setting spray before I apply mascara. I like to let it totally dry because I feel like even with waterproof mascara, if I spray setting spray on mascara, it's like it re-wets it or something, and then it can smear, and I'm not about that life. I'm going to do a little lip liner, put on a lipstick, and then put my mascara on. Mascara. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you were entertained or learned something or were inspired or whatever, got something out of the time that you spent watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. All that helps me out. And I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!